I need eyeliner. Pros.
Pray for me, for me. Pray I find my way.
Hey family, welcome back. If you're doing fantastic, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Esther, MsTopacJay. So in today's video, I plan on doing fall related makeup look. Generally, I'm not the type of person to do makeup according to season, even though I have done a couple of my channels so far. Like, I don't live by that rule off camera, you know, like I can do vibrant color in winter, I can do cool colors in summer, I can wear, like, I choose to wear whatever I want to wear in whatever season. I choose to have whatever I want to have on my face in whatever season, because I don't have that much clothes or makeup to have that luxury to decide, and life is too short to live by rules. So I don't generally do stuff like that in my day-to-day life, but once in a while on video I try to, like, you know, do season related makeup. So here we are, as requested. I'm here to do a fall related makeup look for you. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. If you're to join the fam bam, subscribe down below, join the fam bam, turn on notification, let me know down below that you've joined the fam bam. Okay, and I properly welcome you to the family. All right, without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. All right, so here we go. As you can see, I've already done my brows, and I did my brows using the Benefit KaBrow, and I used the shade 5. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lid, and I will be prepping my lid using the Revolution Conceal and Defy Concealer in the shade C12. Yes. All right, so here we go. I am not going to set it as usual. I'm mainly going to be using the Shop Me Say brush, you know, the Area Studio brushes. I'm going to pick up blending brush first. This is the E136 blending brush, and I will be using the MakeupShayla X Colourpop Perception eyeshadow palette, and I'm mainly going to be sticking to the matte shades in the bottom row right here, and also this shade right here. So I'm going to go into the shade Revenge. I'm going to use this as my transition. I'm going to place this right on my crease. If you watch my recent video, you know exactly where the crease is, and that's why I did that dedicated video, so that way I can refer y'all to that video, especially if you're new to my channel and you have hooded eyes and all that. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna keep building it up right here, you know, just right below my brow bone, and I'm gonna bring it out to my outer corner right here, just like that, like right in a C shape, but you know, inward, backward. See, I don't know, y'all know. So I'm going to be picking up the shade Played Out, and I'm just going to build up the shade in the outer corner. Now I'm gonna grab the color Revenge again and just use this to blend the edge of Played Out in my crease right here, and just kind of fuse it out, basically. Bring it to my inner corner a little bit. Just doing something very simple. I've only used one brush so far. Look at that, I love that. Just wiping my brush on the tissue paper. I can't find my color switch anymore. I don't know where that one has gone to. It's grown legs and literally gone. I'm just gonna clean the brush and just use this to blend the edge of the shadow right here, just a bit. I'm going to go into the shade Culture. I would describe these shades for y'all, but right now, with the way I'm feeling right now, if I really try, all my teeth are gonna fall out. So forgive me, and let's just move on. Okay. So I'm just picking up the shade Culture with the brush, and I'm just applying this all over my lid. You know, the area where there's no like obvious color. Just doing something very simple, man. Simple today. We're going simple because, you know, life is too short to be going hard all the time, you know. Just gotta make sure I blend it into the other shades. I'm not packing it on, I'm literally just like brushing it on. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna wipe it again and blend it out. Or just use your finger, man. Use your finger to, you know, clean the edge if it's too close to the brow, you know. I'm gonna pick up Culture, and I'm going to put this in my brow bone. For eyeliner, I'll be using Revolution Pro Supreme Dip Liner. I mentioned recently that I don't really like this eyeliner, and I don't really like it. I think it's mainly because of the wand itself. There's something about it, like the tip itself is kind of hazardous. It's too flickery. Maybe you can hear it through the mic. Okay, Esther, shh, let them hear. Do you hear that? Like, I don't know, it's weird compared to other highlighter that I do on. You see that? That is soft. I hope you can hear that. Because I realize it might be the tip, I'm just gonna switch out the tip. I'm going to use the tip of this E.L.F liner right here. This one right here. I've been using this for a while and I love it. Let's just hope it fits in there. Okay, cool. I'm going to use the tip instead. Yes, this is a good tip. Oh, I haven't done liner in a while actually. Okay, so here we are. Liner is on. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply lashes. Let me just use this one. I've been using this for a while. Yep, this is That's Beauty lashes in the style Paris. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay. Alright babe, so here we are. Liner is on, lashes are on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then we're gonna come back and do the face. See you real soon. Okay, so here we are. The eyes are done. So for primer, I've already primed my face. Actually, I primed my face like ages ago using the Revolution Pro Prime and Hydrate primer. And I like this primer. It's very nice and hydrating. It's moisturizing. That's why I like it. Not for the longevity, which is not really as great, but it's nice and hydrating. And for foundation, I'll be using the E.L.F Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation in the shade Coffee. That's always a mouthful to say. So I'm just going to apply about 3 pumps in the back of my hand. And I'll be using this brush. I bought this from Primark a while ago in London. And I noticed that Laura Mercier posted a brush that looks exactly like this on their Instagram. And I think it's like $34 US or whatever. I'm like, girl, I bought this for like, I think £6. Girl. So I'm just gonna use this to apply the foundation all over my face. Say it like you mean it. Hey, do you mean it? Okay, so here we go. We're looking very radiant and a little bit deeper, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in a shade 10. And I'm going to mix this with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in a shade C12 once again. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Picking up a smooth layer, dust it off if it looks chunky, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it, you know. I'm just going to keep dabbing it in until it's dissipated into the skin, you know. Hey, not because of you, way I get to goosebumps. This feeling Alright, so now I'm just gonna leave that powder there for a little bit, just for like a minute or whatever. And now I'm gonna go into this NYX highlighting contour palette, and I'm gonna pick up that shade, the darker shade in the palette, this one right here, and I'm going to use this to contour. And I'm using this Area Studio F24 brush. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a blending brush. This is the E135 brush. Just pick up that contour shade. So I'm just contour my nose with it a little bit. I'm gonna bring it into my crease. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Powder in the shade N9. Are you kidding? I'm going to use the sponge, pick up the powder, and dab this all around my face. Just a little bit. I don't want to set the foundation too much, but it does need to be set a little bit, you know? So this does pick up a bit. Just a little bit. I still want to look a little bit like glowy in this area, but I want to tone down the illumination a little bit. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and... what do we do now? I think I want to blush. Yep, I want to blush. I brought this out because I know I've been neglecting it. This is the NYX Blush and Contour Duo, and I'm just going to use that blush, this one right here. Even though it doesn't really show up on my skin as much as I would like it to, and it doesn't really have longevity, but I need to use it. I need to use it. It's not even making a dent because I haven't really used it. So I need to give that E.L.F one a rest. You guys are probably tired of seeing me use the E.L.F one. I don't know, are you? So I'm just going to... okay. There. All right, so now for highlights, I recently pulled this out of my collection. This is the E.L.F Sunkissed Glow Bronzer, and I like this. I like the way this looks on the face as highlight. I'm going to be using this NYX brush. It's actually a foundation brush, but recently I've liked picking the bronzer up with it. When I bought this, I was like, how can I use it as a bronzer? I can't use this as a bronzer. But then when I swatched it, I realized it has a nice reflex to it. This is it. You know, it has a nice glow to it. So I just picked it up with the brush, and I'm just going to apply that in the highest point of my face as usual. I'm gonna keep dabbing there until I get the intensity that I want. It is nicely pigmented. Right right down my nose and right here. You know what? I'm gonna put in my brow bone today as well. All right, so for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go back into the MakeupShayla palette, and I'm going to pick up an angled brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Played Out and just stamp this in the lower lash line, and I'm going to smudge it out using another brush, like a smudge brush. And I'm just gonna pick up the shade Revenge and use this to smudge out the shade Played Out. So now I'm gonna grab a mascara. This is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I'm gonna try as much as possible to get my lower lash out. It might not come out, but let's try it today. Okay, has anyone ever gotten lower lash extension? I'm considering it. I wonder how long it will last for. Well, that's as much as we can do, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna grab liner again and just extend the liner in my inner corner. That's too long. Oh, that's a mistake. Oh, I messed that up. All right, so here we go. For lips, I'll be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Berlin. I have the mini one. This one right here. I think this is the color I wanna go for. That's still boring. Okay, let's use the shade Copenhagen instead. I don't know. Let me just follow through with one. I'm mixing it with Berlin. I don't know. I think we're good with that. Oh, my mic wasn't on me. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, here we are, all done. Hair is down and I'm feeling myself. I've taken plenty of pictures and all the pictures are looking bomb, if I might add. I don't know if you take this as fall makeup, but I guess I would, because we've got the fall colors. You know, we've got the orange hue a little bit in the crease, we've got it a little bit in our hair, we've got the browns, we've got the whatever other fall color you can think of. We've got it on our face, I think, anyway. And with the highlighter, one thing I forgot to mention is when you do spray it intensifies real quick. As you can see, I've already topped it up. Like, do you see that glow? I'm all glow, man. Baby's glowing, you know. Can you show my arm? What's your problem? How are you so disrespectful? Ignore that. That's not it. That was from earlier. So that's it sprayed. This is it not sprayed. I love this, and it's so cute. You just put it in your pocket and you're good to go. So that is it for today's video. What do you babes think about this look? I feel like I haven't done something this simple in a while. I know that one of you babes requested that I do halo eyes. I was gonna do that, and I realized I actually already have an halo eye 4-color related video on my channel, so I'm gonna put a link to that down below, or just wait to the end of this video and click the end screen annotation in this video. Okay, so yeah, so let me know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see from me. A skincare video or get on ready with me video is coming up real soon as requested. Maybe I should film it tonight. Yeah, maybe I should. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, fembam. I appreciate every single one of you babes. Thank you so much for your ongoing or your continuous support. Today's feminine notification is Creme Little. Thank you so much, babes. Thanks so much, babes, for turning on. I can't speak. Thank you so much, babes, for turning on notification, and thank you for commenting on my videos. I appreciate you. I appreciate every single one of you, babes. You guys know that, and I love you guys so much. Once again, thanks so much for your support, and thank you for watching. And as always, whatever you're doing to love yourself, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. My name is MsTopacJay there as well, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye. On today, if you've yet to join the fembam, what did I just say? I need eyeliner, dip liner for eyeliner. I can't speak. Okay, just dropped. So I'm gonna. Where is my glue? I call you too much. Yes, you do. Never pick up. Yeah, I never pick up. Except when you wanna. What? What? My dreams. Oh. That you change it for me. What? No. I have daddy issues. Idris. Oh, tell me you love me. Oh, alright, yeah. It's not matching. I hate it when this happens. Only money, Say it like you mean it. Was there something on my lip again? Was there lipstick on my teeth again? No. Do you mean it? Look at that, my chest is glowing. Yes. Actually, I should film another video now. I'm gonna film the empties video. Yes, I will.